Hello everyone, I want to show you a feature I've been working on lately. It's called Custom Pass Materials. Um, it is similar to custom depth rendering, but it is more versatile. So let's just go in. First of all, let me pull up the settings. First of all, it is by default it is enabled. Um, but you can control it in the rendering section of the project settings. It has three options: either it's disabled, enabled, or enabled on demand. By enabled on demand, it means that it will kick in only if there's something that is using custom pass rendering on screen. Uh, Upside, it conserves on memory and a bit of performance. Downside, it can cause a hitch when it kicks in because it takes some time to create the buffers. But again, it is similar, and it is actually based on the custom depth stencil pass. So let's go in. So every primitive component in the editor now has a new option under the rendering section called Render Custom Pass. When you enable it, you get access to the custom pass materials. When you now you can add add a material to that primitive object. Also, I want to show you I have a post-processing material here that checks if there's some custom pass texture. If there's value in the custom pass texture, it will render the custom pass texture. If not, it will continue rendering the scene color, so we can see the actual buffers. So let's choose the chair here, and we will apply the green material onto it. Just to show you that it is actually what you see. It's not. I did not apply the green material to the chair. Let's go to the global post-processing volume, and here's the visualization material I use, and turn the blending off. So now, what is so new about this feature? First of all, you can do pretty much anything. Let's say we want the normals. We want to create a mask that outputs the normals, scene normal of that object, that those pixels that are rendered by the object have. So let's take the world normal. Where is it? World normal. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Pixel normal world space. Now we have the normals applied to that mesh. So let's return to the green material. But this way you can create very sophisticated masks if you need, and they're per per primitive component. You can apply them to pretty much any primitive component. Currently, there is no separation between the material. If you have a number of materials in that component, it will be ignored, but I'm planning on expanding it to use material slots to override specific materials. So now let's apply custom pass material to the table. Well, we will apply the blue. Okay. Now, if we can mask the channels that each custom pass outputs. So I don't want to overwrite the green channel that the chair mask outputs. So I will put we have a blend right mask. I will put to output only the blue channel on this. Let me see. Okay, so also the order matters. Currently, there between the material inside each component, you can control it. Between the materials, it's currently a bit problematic. Okay, now I also can control the depth testing of the custom material pass, and I want the chair to always output its mask. Now, what you see here, the turquoise color here, it is actually those pixels get 1 on the green channel and 1 on the blue channel. So you have your masks are still whole. So one custom pass does not interfere with another. Another feature is you can add tags to each custom pass material. So we'll put the green material here, and we'll tag it as test. Now, what does it do? Here I have a scene capture component that has the custom pass tag test. And if we put it in front of the camera, here it is. There it is. It will only render this here. By the way, we can disable the mask rendering in the main render pass, but it will still render it in the scene capture component. Okay, so let's add another material. It's a white material. Let's add it to the chair. We will tell it to output only the red channel. We will disable the rendering in the main pass. We'll tell it to capture only. Okay, hold on. Yes, I currently have a bug with it, but hopefully I will solve it soon. But the idea is that you can specify specific custom path materials to specific scene capture components. If you want the main path to output a certain mask, it will output a certain mask. If you want one scene capture component to capture different mask and another capture component to capture even even a third mask, you will be able to do that. So, and of course you have the blend tests, you have the depth tests. You can output. Let's say let's play around with the depth test. We want to output the green channel only on things that are occluded by the object, or actually by the scene depth. Sorry, it will be less or less. Um, uh, mhm. Yeah, this is, as far as I remember, this will be, those are the back faces. Yeah. Now, if you put a less depth test function, it will output the back faces, I think. Anyways, so this is the feature. I will be making a pull request soon, and I hope you'll find it useful. Thank you.